Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Today we are discussing NTA UGC NET 2023 Paper 1. In this class we discuss an important topic from ICT, that is computer memory. In every year there will definitely one or two questions related with this topic, either match the following or a statement mode question. So let's start the MCQ session. Before we moving to the first question, you can see Global Online offering you notes and most expected MCQs on these subjects. So you can use this in your exam and also in related interviews. Global Online offering you 100% guaranteed selection, and both will help your preparation well and boost up your preparation in a very efficient manner. You can get this for 1218 and you can contact with this given WhatsApp number. And Global Online offering you paper 1 and paper 2 complete courses. You can download our app in link provided in the description. So this is the evaluation test, another important related with your preparation. You comes across many topics and the clarification of this topic must need an evaluation test. So Global Online offering you the evaluation test in our app, so we can get all topics related with UGC NET. Make this chance very useful and start the first question. The three steps in memory information processing. Here, the memory information processing means the memory or the computer memory that store information through these steps, or the three steps that important for the storage of memory, that is encoding, storage, and retrieval. So, you know the word encoding in the communication topic. So, encoding means to organize or to make the information in another format, and the storage means the storage in a particular bit or like in another way, and retrieval is the last stage. In the stage you can get the information stored in the computer memory into in retrieval form. Clear? Then the next one related with one way to increase the amount of information in memory is to group it into larger familiar units. This process is referred to as. So, this topic or this concept related with the organizing of information in memory. So, the large amount of information in computer memory, to make it more simpler form or to make it in very smaller or larger familiar units, the process is called chunking. Clear. So this process is called chunking to make the large amount or increase the amount of information in memory that into groups or familiar units. That process is referred to as chunking. And this is the sequence of chunking. You first the information is make into a one chunk to, that's chunk node 1. Clear. So these chunks will form the storage or information in the memory. Clear. Then next question related with the two kinds of main memory. So in this question, those of you make mistakes that suddenly you got two kinds of memory, primary and secondary. That's wrong. In this question, here the two kinds of main memory. Okay, so main memory or the primary memory. The other word for main memory, that's primary memory. So the main or the two kinds of primary memory or main memory, that is RAM and ROM. Random access memory and read-only memory. Clear. Then primary and secondary memory. In secondary memory there are other important division like hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic type, etc. And the primary memory is the fastest memory according to the secondary one. Clear. Then this is the categorization of computer memory into primary and secondary. In primary, you can see that DRAM, that is the DRAM for the one of the categorization in RAM, random access memory, and the SRAM, that is the other important division of RAM, and DRAM. So these are the important classification under primary memory, and in secondary memory there are ROM, random access memory here, and read-only memory in secondary, EEPROM, EEPROM. So this is read-only memory. Here there is random access memory. Clear? And then the primary memory of a computer can also be called. So here the primary memory is the another name for the main memory, and also it's called in other ways too. So these are the ways. That's all of these are right answer. Primary memory can be called internal memory, main memory, also primary memory is another one. Sorry, that's the same one with the primary memory. Clear? And also you can use that is the actual memory. Clear? Then this is the picture of primary memory. You can see. Then types of memory in the cache memory comes under the primary memory, and main memory there are two important division that we discussed in earlier question. In secondary memory you can see three important division. One is magnetic memory, and magnetic type, magnetic disk are all come under this category. In optical memory that comes compact disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, HVD, that is optical memory. Then solid state memory, there comes memory card, pen drive, solid state drive. This can be fixable, and also without fixing we can that it can be out of fixing we can use the, but this is the fixable memory. We can always fix this optical memory for the usage, and after the usage you can plug it off this memory, that is solid state memory. Clear? Then what is the full form of CD? Another important question that related to memory, that is compact disk. The compact disk, and it invented or that is established or formed by James Russell. So CD was invented by James Russell, and again that is DVD, that stands for digital video disc and also digital versatile disc. Both A and B are the right option. So DVD stands for digital video disc and also digital versatile disc. From digital video disc that come the another name, digital versatile disc. Okay. Then what comes after terabyte? So the terabyte is one of the unit in memory. So the terabyte comes under, or the what comes under next to terabyte, that is petabyte. So you must know the order of these memories from kilobyte to petabyte. Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. Clear? So these are the ordering of byte or the memories. First of all there comes byte, and then kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, then petabyte. So you must know the ordering of these memories from lowest to the highest. Clear? And then memory is made up of dash, or the memory is the collection of large number of cells. So this is the answer, option C, large number of cells that made the memory. So the storage or the information is stored in single cells, like the points. You can see dots in memory cards. That is the storage unit of memory like cells. Which memory is the actual working memory or the memory that is used in computers. In computers you can see secondary memory use or does not use, but the actual memory is the complete storage in the device. So the actual working memory is the RAM, random access memory. Okay, and also there are many division for RAM like SRAM, DRAM, etc. So you must know about the actual working memory, that is the RAM. Clear? And then without RAM you cannot store anything in this device, and after the power off, the information that's stored in the RAM will destroy or that will go. Clear? And what is secondary memory? In this question, you can get what is secondary memory and also its features. And it is non-volatile in nature, that is lower than primary memories. That's right. The secondary memory is slower than the primary memories, and also that is non-volatile. That means when the electricity goes out, also the information that in the secondary memory does not gone away. Clear? So that is stored for a permanent time period, and but this memory is lower than the primary one. So the option one is correct, and it's also known as backup memory. That also right. We want to back up some of the information. We use the secondary memory, and then the computer may run without secondary memory. That also right. So all of the above are correct according to the secondary memory. Clear? Then secondary memory, there are two important variation: fixed device and removable device. That's why the fixed devices is permanently, not permanently. We want to retrieve the information. We want to connect the devices like hard disk drive, CD or DVD. But the removable device like pen drive, Blu-ray disc, etc. You can see the removable devices. That is in currently most of the information we use or store with these devices in removable devices. Clear? Then before we move into the next question, let's look at Global Online offering you UGC NET 2023 Paper 1 crash course, and in that we provide live lectures, video lectures and 60 plus mock tests. Also, we provide last 10 years of PYQs with complete notes. You can also get 4000 plus MCQs in question banks, and all of this you can get with this single crash course only 3200, and you can contact with this given WhatsApp number. And also we provide the paper 1 and paper 2 complete courses in our app. Clear? And then next question: arrange the memory in chronological order according to their speed. So here the chronology of speed means from highest to lowest. So the according to the speed means from highest. First comes the highest memory or the highest speed memory, then comes the lowest. So that is in the not in the chronology, according to the negative or from highest to lowest. So here we can see highest storage memory or the highest speed memory, that is the register in a CPU, and then cache and RAM, and last the hard disk. So here the ordering, first one register, cache, RAM is the correct ordering of the primary memories. So you must know or remind this ordering. You can get definitely a question related to this memory part. Clear? Then this graph represents the clear image of the memory. First is cache memory, and then main memory, hard disk. Main memory, that is a RAM, and then hard disk is the secondary memory. So from coming from the top position to the lowest, larger capacity, you can see the storage will increase, larger capacity, but the time, access time is lower, and also the cost is low. You can see the cache memory or the primary memory, that is a very expensive, but in secondary memories are lower cost according to the price of the primary memory. And from going lowest part to the down to up, you can see smaller capacity but faster access time, easy access time, and also higher cost. You can see the primary memory, what that is very expensive. Clear up with regarding to the secondary memory. Clear. Then it is the another way, or the including all important memories, increasing order of access time there, that we can say in earlier. And the primary part is the main memory, and the magnetic disk and magnetic type, that is an auxiliary memory or the secondary memory. Clear. Then moving to the next question. Which of the following is or are the feature of SRAM? Clear, that is static RAM. In SRAM, we can see the feature, or the RAM is the important memory or the actual memory of the computer. So it is very much higher in speed, and also this bigger size and more expensive, and also requires less power consumption. So all of the above is the answer. So for reminding this concept, you must or remind this at the SRAM. SRAM for SRAM. SRAM is very faster. Okay, SRAM is very faster than the DRAM, and also this is bigger size. Ram was very Sri Ram was very bigger in size, and also that's more expensive, because Ram was very powerful, so that is more expensive than DRAM, but it requires or it consumes only less power. With less power, Sri Ram can do many work or many tasks than DRAM. So that is a similar way to remind that. Clear. Then this is the Sri Ram, or that is S Ram. Clear. Then the key feature of DRAM. So the DRAM is the another important categorization under RAM. So you can see it is faster than SRAM, that's wrong. SRAM was very faster, and then it is bigger in size, that's also wrong. It requires less power, that's also wrong. So the answer for this is it is less expensive and cheaper than SRAM. That is the important point. You can see the DRAM is not faster, not bigger in size, and and also requires more power than SRAM. But in DRAM, you can see that is less expensive and also is cheaper than SRAM. Then which of the type of RAM can be used as cache memory? So here the cache memory, you can point at that, that's very much faster or very much accessibility. So the which type of RAM that comes under, it is none other than the SRAM, because the SRAM was very powerful and also has more power with less consumption of power, can do faster accessibility. So you must know that is 3 RAM or SRAM. Clear, that is the important way to remind that. And this is a homework question for you. Which of the following memories needs refresh to store information? So here the memory that needs refreshing or needs the storage to refresh to gain or to add additional information or to add other information. Clear. Then the option cache, SRAM, DRAM, and all of this. So give the answer in the comment box and also ask any question or doubts regarding to this. Clear? Then this is the homework question, and also in this question I can see many controversies in between two options, but the right answer for this question is formal structure. The question, public communication tends to occur within a more formal structure, and some of the answers that is convenient structure you can see, but it is the wrong one. The public communication tends occur within a more formal, that's also need convenient structure, but it needs or it occur within a more formal structure. So this is a right answer. Don't make mistakes in this question because this is a simple question, and also you does not mistake this question. Clear? So public communication tends to occur within a more formal structure. The example for this is press meet or the magazines, newspapers, etc. So these are in a formal structure. Clear? So the convenient also comes under public communication, but that it tends to occur within a more formal manner or more formal structure. Clear? Option D is the right answer. And that's for the day. We end this video with this question, and any doubts regarding to this question please ask in the comment box, and we will meet with the next video with important topic. Until then, thank you.